Freightliner currently dominates the Class A truck market in the United States with a market share of approximately 37.7% as of December 2021 and has achieved a year-to-date growth rate of around 0.4%. However, Tesla, a new player in this market, has set an ambitious goal to become the second largest manufacturer of Class A trucks in the US and eventually surpass Freightliner. The question is, how does Tesla plan to achieve this feat? The Freightliner Cascadia is the leading model of heavy-duty semi-trailer trucks manufactured by Freightliner. However, the question arises about how its price compares to the Tesla Semi, which is Elon Musk's brainchild. Which one of the two will be more affordable? A new Freightliner Cascadia will cost somewhere between $160,000 and upwards of $240,000. If you want to buy a used Cascadia, it will be somewhat closer to $80,000 on average. At such price, it's about $60,000 more expensive than the Tesla Semi. Tesla has delivered the first 2 units of the Semi to PepsiCo, one with blue paint and Pepsi branding, and the other with yellow paint and Frito-Lay branding. However, the company hasn't disclosed its pricing. Based on past statements from Tesla, we would expect the price of the regular production versions, the 300-mile and 500-mile range versions, to be $150,000 and $180,000 respectively. Truck drivers need a comfortable interior because they spend most of their time driving. So in terms of interior, what's the difference between these two trucks? Drivers can spend more than 100 hours in the cab in an average week. The optimized interior of the Cascadia was designed for drivers with this in mind. Seating is even more comfortable, allowing for great forward visibility. The steering wheel can be adjusted to move up and down to the appropriate angle. Controls are on the left side of the steering wheel with the engine and chassis functions on the right. Freightliner has done a superb job placing all the controls at your fingertips, from switches to heater controls to gauges to the radio. Everything within reach means you don't have to take your eyes off the road, which makes it much safer. Now what about the Tesla Semi? The Tesla Semi's interior is cool and quite a change compared to most diesel trucks on the market. The driver sits in the center of the cab rather than on one side. An all-electric architecture reduces rollover risk and cabin intrusion in case of an accident. Tesla said the seat also showcases a red seat belt, which is Tesla's main brand color, similar to the flagship sedan and SUV. The Semi's steering wheel features several touch buttons for functions like turn signals and the horn. The Semi lacks an instrument cluster but features 2 15-inch horizontal displays with touch capability. The Semi also seems poised to be equipped with dual phone chargers, which would be appreciated as drivers could charge the phone and possibly a spare battery pack simultaneously. Tesla also unveiled several quality of life features for drivers, like an automatic suspension dump for easy latching to trailers, a cabin that you can stand in, and easy light checks for inspections. Now what about the exterior? The outside look of these two trucks. The Cascadia is the most advanced on-highway truck from Freightliner that has ever been offered. Advanced aerodynamics helps it slide through the air and boost fuel efficiency. Smart exterior design improves basic vehicle servicing, increasing uptime. The Cascadia offers improved fuel economy and enhanced safety features, leading the way in technologically advanced assessments and driver comfort. The Cascadia features a slope hood for better visibility and safety. It also comes standard with a one-piece windshield and one-piece door glass. These one-piece designs offer an asymmetric windshield construction with a thicker exterior glass panel for increased resistance to breakage and an improved view of the mirrors and the road. Now, how does the Semi stack up? The Tesla Semi has a unique cab construction and arguably the cleanest design we've ever seen on a truck. It looks like something straight out of a futuristic sci-fi film. A massive wrap-around glass area up front slopes into the front or front trunk. The glass area is so large that the panels reach all the way to the doors. Cameras positioned at the extreme rear send a feed to the interior screen. Freightliner trucks are only as valuable as their ability to transport goods and cargo. It's crucial to their success. So which capacity of the two we're seeing today has the better capacity? The new natural gas-powered Cascadia has proven its performance for various applications, including local distribution, regional haul, and port drayage. The gross vehicle weight of the Freightliner Cascadia is 66,000 pounds, and the max gross vehicle weight is 80,000 pounds, according to the Cascadia website. In contrast, Tesla says the Semi will have a payload of at least the same weight as a diesel truck. The Semi has completed a 500-mile trip with a load weighing 81,000 pounds. A normal Semi should weigh 10,000 to 25,000 pounds when not loaded. As the story goes, a Semi was loaded with 11 Jersey barriers. A Jersey barrier weighs about 4,000 pounds, which means the load was about 44,000 pounds. This suggests that the electric Semi's unladen weight is around 27,000 pounds. A similar Semi could weigh between 10,000 to 25,000 pounds. The Tesla Semi is just beyond the top end of the estimate. This could mean that the electric hauler can only transport as much weight as some of its gas or diesel-powered peers. Still, it's impossible to know now, especially since its electric powertrain could be more robust than an ICE or internal combustion engine option. So what's under the hood of the Cascadia? The Detroit Integrated Powertrain is specifically designed, engineered, and assembled in Detroit to work together as a single unit for optimal drivetrain efficiency. The Cascadia can be specified with a Detroit or Cummins heavy-duty engine with up to 600 horsepower ratings. The most popular engine is the Detroit DD15, a 14.8-liter inline-six engine. Performance was assured from the 400 horsepower DD15 15-liter with 1,650 pound-feet of torque. This engine has been engineered to increase durability, efficiency, and performance, providing improved fuel economy. What kind of motor does this Semi use? The Tesla Semi has a new tri-motor system consisting of 3 independent electric motors. The motors power the 2 rear axles, as the front is not powered. Interestingly, the electric motors have carbon-sleeved rotors, just like in the Tesla Model S and Model X Plaid. The drive unit in a Tesla Semi has an output of 1,020 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. The Tesla Semi is more powerful than the Freightliner Cascadia, with an added 620 horsepower. Why the safety features of the truck? Of course. Which truck offers the best safety? Detroit Assurance 5.0 is standard equipment in every Detroit-powered Cascadia. Detroit Assurance 5.0 offers several enhancements that can improve uptime, safety, and driver experience, including using radar and camera technologies for increased confidence and object detection to further mitigate accidents and their associated costs. The Detroit Assurance suite of safety systems delivers on-road control and protection second to none in any other truck. Active brake assist is always on, detecting the distances to objects ahead in its path, calculating speed, and determining if a warning or braking action is necessary. The optional camera-based active lane assist features provide added protection for unintended lane drifting, lane centering corrections, and blind spot side guard assist coverage for the entire trailer length. If the driver drifts to the right or indicates a right side lane change, the display turns red and an audible warning sounds. This system works at all speeds, but sharp curves can baffle it. The driver can disable the function. Another area where the Tesla Semi breaks significant ground is safety. So how is safety demonstrated in this truck? The Tesla Semi was slated to feature the brand's enhanced autopilot suite of features as standard. We've yet to receive confirmation that this has occurred. The range of safety features includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and automatic lane keeping assist. Suppose the Tesla Semi senses no driver input. In that case, it stays in the line, comes to a slow and gradual halt, and automatically dials an emergency number. The Tesla Semi has an enhanced traction control system to prevent jackknifing. Suppose you have yet to hear of it. Jackknifing refers to the unusual folding of highly articulated vehicles like trailers because of uncontrolled inertia. It occurs when the heavy trailers cause the truck to contort in awkward angles, often causing accidents. Tesla's engineers have incorporated an advanced traction control system where jackknifing is wholly avoided. The Tesla Semi's drivetrain is guaranteed to last 1 million miles. Even if 2 of its motors break down, the Semi can still function and beat a diesel truck in acceleration and range. What's more, Musk claimed that the Semi would never require brake pad changes. Brake energy regeneration, which recovers kinetic energy and stores it in an electrical form in the battery, naturally slows the vehicle down. The focus now turns to the status of Tesla Semi deliveries in Canada and whether they will be available soon. Tesla usually prioritizes North America before expanding to other parts of the world. While the company has already started delivering semi-trucks in the United States, Canada may have some work to do before deliveries begin. Tesla recently sent a letter to Canada's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, Chrystia Freeland, outlining what it hopes the country will prioritize going forward. The goal is to speed up the process and ensure Canadian companies can get their hands on the semi-trucks as soon as possible, provided the necessary charging infrastructure is in place. In summary, while the Tesla Semi and Freightliner Cascadia has advantages, the former is considered groundbreaking. It can revolutionize the trucking industry by offering a more comfortable, safer, and cost-effective alternative to traditional semi-trailer trucks. Furthermore, the Tesla Semi is designed to be emission-free and enjoyable to drive. The question then arises regarding which of the two trucks is superior in overall performance and capabilities. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. Share all of your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.